Hello everyone, and welcome back to ISRAR'S channel. In today's short video, I'll discuss how business analytics is transforming contract management in procurement and supply chain management. Traditionally, contract management focused mainly on paperwork, approvals, and renewals, but now, organizations manage thousands of contracts and suppliers, making data-driven decision-making extremely important. This is where business analytics plays a critical role. Business analytics helps procurement teams analyze contract data to improve supplier performance, cost savings, compliances, risk management, and operational efficiency.
Organizations now use analytics to find out which suppliers are underperforming, which contracts are generating maximum value, where are procurement risks increasing, and where can costs be reduced. The main areas where organizations apply the analytics in contract management are analyzing supplier performance against contract, spend analysis, compliance tracking, contract lifecycle management (CLM), and procurement risk management in contract management. The contract management analytics is done by analyzing some important KPIs including contract compliance rate, supplier performance score, contract cycle time, cost savings realization, and contract renewal rate. AI is also transforming contract management analytics in procurement by automating and real-time reporting, predicting supplier risks, detecting anomalies, monitoring compliance, and generating intelligent dashboards. The popular platforms used in contract management analytics include SAP Ariba, Coupa, Power BI, Tableau, Oracle Procurement Cloud, ISRAR'S CLM, and Microsoft Fabric. In simple words, business analytics is helping organizations become smarter, faster, and more strategic in managing contracts in procurement. The future is clearly becoming more data-driven, AI-powered, automated, and highly intelligent. Thank you so much for watching this video, and take care till next presentation.